Next key point that we have to cover in this webinar. So AI helps us in our daily life. This is I think this would be understood by everyone. And AI helps to identify and you can say locate criminals. So in the in police department or in the like army, we have to find out the some terrorists or criminals in the with the help of AI. Then AI will drive and avoid accidents while it is in autopilot. So today now the facility provided by AI that we can drive the car or we can use autopilot mode in the car or any vehicle, and also it is basically controlling by the using of artificial intelligence. So like for example, AI can help us our daily life. So what do you mean by daily life? Like from starting, you can say starting from morning to night. So starting from morning, when you wake up, your phone alarm adjusts based on the sleep pattern. So what time you basically wake up and what is your sleep pattern. So AI can interrupt directly to your habits and identify the pattern. So you can say the morning your phone alarm can adjust with your sleeping pattern. Then Google Maps find the best route whenever you are going to office. Google Maps are using to finding the best route for any source to destination. Then in working, like when you are working in office, so Gmail remove the unwanted email from a spam filter or a spam, we can say the spam mail. So this all things, or like whenever you are in the entertainment mode in evening, so Netflix or YouTube recommend the interested or basically which show you are like watching. So they recommend you the particular show or movie. Then whenever in night you are searching some product in Amazon, so that suggests the product based on your browsing history according to your interest. So these all are from morning to night. Basically, we can cover by the using of AI. So we can say AI can help our day-to-day life or daily life. And also nowadays, so many person are using the health product like AI in smartwatch, track your heart rate, steps, and also monitor your blood pressure, sugar, etc. So next is AI helps to identify and locate basically you can say criminal. This is a very useful use case of AI. So you can this helps to identify the locate criminals by the using of recognition of face or applying some deep learning model. So identify means basically we can say recognizing who is criminal is by the using of AI. You can we say that AI analyze fingerprints or CCTV footage and also some voice patterns to find the suspected, or you can say identify the suspected behavior. So forensic team will match these fingerprints or DNA samples, then they can find out the criminals in the case of any happening in the society. And we can say identified and locate criminals. Second point is AI helps identify and locate the criminals. So how they can locate? So is there any GPS facility available like tracking the phone? So locate means finding where the criminal is in real time. The movement of criminal in real time. So they can easily find out the location of that particular person. Like for example, nowadays AI powered license plate also using some by the transport department that helps police to track the stolen vehicle and the criminal location. So in the case of stolen vehicle and finding the criminal location, so AI can help in a very better way. And criminals also trying to hide their identity. That is the one use case. They are also know how they can interpret and finding how police finding a location of that particular person. So they try to hide their identity, but AI also can detect unusual behavior and patterns. So, by the finding of unusual behavior, the police department also can find the particular person by the using of some behavior or like movement and behavior, unusual habits, and if the person try to hide turn off the GPS location or online location is turned off. So in that case, also some other techniques that the police person or police department can do to find out the particular criminal. Then also uh, predicting policing or predictive modeling we can use for finding the criminals. In that case, you can say predicting crimes before they happen. So police department having some database that is you can say the criminal database. So they can match some patterns and uh, like any fingerprints and photographs using by web cameras. So they can usually identify the person by the using of these property, location, unusual activity, behavior. So we can say AI can help identify and locate the criminal. Then third one is AI will drive and avoid accident while it's in autopilot. So you all know that nowadays Tesla and other company using the self-driving car, and they launches the self-driving car. So some developed country are still initialize the using of that particular technology. So self-driving cars, when we can say AI acts like a brain, just like a human being, applying his brain for driving in a busy road. So same way, AI can also use working just like a human being and applying its brain or process like that process, applying brain like processing the information from sensors. So they use the sensors and cameras to control the vehicle. Example like Tesla autopilot car can detect lanes, auto detects the lanes, other cars and population, crowd, pedestrian, and drive safely. Also, they use some object detection methodology technology like CNN algo for finding the object obstacle in front of vehicle. So how we can say AI will drive? AI will drive and avoid accident while it is autopilot. So these are some basic AI techniques that will apply for making the drive successfully and safely. Basically, drive means AI will control the and operate the vehicle just like a human being or human driver. There is the camera, radar, and GPS technology for getting the path and without the collision. And also, we can say they successfully avoid the accident and whenever the obstacle is found, the braking apply the brake automatically and avoid the accident. So autopilot, nothing that means the car drives itself by with the minimal or no human intervention. So this is the new for in the perspective of India or developing country, but developed country is still using this type of technology. Now, AI helps to win our war. So, in the case of defense and war situations, AI also can help to basically save the humanity, like save the soldier and also those persons directly or indirectly involved in war. AI assist and enhance the human decision making by in the whenever in war situation in the military operation. So winning a war nowadays, we can say winning a war. It's not like a one-to-one or infant attacking in front each other. Winning a war is just not about the fighting nowadays. It's about how making the successful strategy, intelligence, and apply to the your defense force. So whenever you apply the AI in the war situation and defense, like the army, that would make the huge amount of difference. Just like country not using the AI in the war situation. So you have example of recently example of Israel use the Iron Drone or some drone technology or AI technology to defeat his enemy, and like applying some technology that auto detect the like refuse the bomb or missile attack from the enemy country. So we can say nowadays warfare is not just a fight against the weapons. We can not say that the weapon our forces or some country forces uses the weapons and firing the each other and participating in the war. But now they include the cyber war or artificial intelligence control war or AI-driven conflicts. So whenever you use the AI in war situation, it will make the basically huge difference for the final output of that particular war. So recently, I am also again I am discussing the Israel country. They using the very best way the AI for his drone technologies and other technologies, so they can defeat the enemy or in the opposite country in a very better way. Then